A Capital One credit card may be restricted due to various reasons. Fraud detection algorithms can identify and restrict suspicious activities, such as unusual financial expenditure patterns, including large purchases. Additionally, if the credit limit has been reached, the card may be restricted to prevent further spending. Late payments can also lead to restrictions, as timely payments are a condition of using the card. Furthermore, an expired card can be restricted until it is renewed. To reinstate a restricted Capital One card, it is necessary to contact a customer representative by dialing a specific phone number. Upon contacting the representative, it is essential to inform them that the credit card is locked, and they will explain the reason for the restriction and provide assistance in reinstating the card. By following these steps, it is possible to resolve the issue and regain access to the card. The key reasons for restriction include suspicious activities, credit limit, late payments, and expiration. And reinstating the card involves a simple process of contacting a customer representative and following their guidance.